Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20e, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should launch Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click Enable in Settings and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher. Click OK, again pick OK. Now just go back. Here tap on the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and it's finished. And now we'll go somewhere where we can find see the keyboard, for example into the Google search, and as can you see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.